Namaste student. Here we have another chapter, that is area of trapezium and polygon, class 8. So under this chapter we have trapezium and polygon. What type of polygon here we have? Here we have triangle, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square. These polygons we have in our syllabus to find the area. Trapezium is also a polygon, but here we're going to give a importance to this trapezium. That's why here we have trapezium, area of trapezium. So here we're going to see how many types of trapezium we can find and how to find the area of trapezium. If you see the trapezium look like this, where one pair parallel line you will see. This is normal, or you can say if two non-parallel sides are equal, then this is called isosceles trapezium. And if you have general case, then under that non-parallel sides are not equal. So we're going to find the area of trapezium. So what we're going to do, if two parallel side has been given and we have height, remember two parallel side, if we'll take here 25 centimeter and you take it here 18 centimeter, and if it will be given you height for both sides will remain same as we have two parallel line, so their height remain constant. That means distance between two parallel line remain constant. So here we have simple formula, that is area of trapezium equals to half into base, here not a base, we'll take here sum of two parallel side, sum of two parallel sides into height. That means if you see here sum of two parallel sides, that means 25 plus 18 you need to add, and the height, if we'll take here 12, think it 12, so we keep here 12 centimeter square, as it is area, so we need to take square unit. Now we'll get the result. If we'll add it here, after adding you just cancel here 6 and multiply with that, you will get your required answer. This is level 1 type question, quite easy. But in exam you may get this type of question, or for lengthy or long question data will be differ, not like that. Here height won't be given to you. You need to find the height and then you need to find the area of trapezium. If you think that two non-parallel side, take here 18 and 25 only, we may get here 6 centimeter like that. One question, this is your isosceles trapezium. Or another question you may get here, maybe it will be 8 centimeter, quite lengthy, not isosceles trapezium, general trapezium. So how are we going to find here? So we'll see both one by one. If we go for the isosceles trapezium, take first 6 and 6. In that case, how are we going to find? You can take here one line which is passed to this opposite line, then it will become automatically your 6. So now you can see that you have taken this line as a parallel and it is already parallel. So opposite sides, if they are parallel, then we can say that they are parallelogram. That means if we'll give a name A, B, C, D, E, then we'll get A, B, D, E, a parallelogram. If it is like that, then we can easily find the length of this, it will be your 18 centimeter, and this will be your 25 minus 18, that is 7 centimeter. Now if you look at properly, what you can see that this is a triangle where all side has been given to you. Now if we take one perpendicular here, then this perpendicular will be the height of this trapezium also. That means same thing, for height of this triangle and height of this trapezium are common to both. Now if we'll find the height, then we have to what? Parallel side value. We'll use this formula, we'll get the answer. The thing is that we don't know the height. So how are you going to find? Here we'll use Heron's formula. So what is the Heron's formula? So we're going to see the Heron's formula. Heron's formula, if we'll go for a triangle and if we'll give a name A, B, C, these are the side of the triangle, then area of triangle can be find by using Heron's formula by this one, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, root over would be there. So what is this S here? S is a semi-perimeter, that means A plus B plus C, this is your perimeter of a triangle divided by 2, that is semi-perimeter here S. We apply this one and we'll get the answer. So to get the height, what concept we're going to apply here? We know that, what we know? That area of triangle, by Heron's formula, we can write root over S into S minus A in bracket S minus B bracket S minus C, and this side we can write half into base into height. So now we don't know the height, we'll keep it as H, and the base we know, according to this one we have the base 7. So we'll substitute here half into 7 into height, and here if we'll add this one, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 9, not 9, 7, that will get here 19. So root over 19, 19 minus, you take it as 7, 19 minus 6, 19 minus 6. So here we are getting this one. Now in root 19 will remain same, and here we'll get 19 minus 7, 12, and this will going to get here 13 into 13. You can see that 13 square, so it will come out, we'll get here 13, and from 12 we'll get 4 into 3, so 2 will come out. So we have 19 into 3 inside. As it is not a perfect, so it will remain inside. But in exam generally, for you people, for class 8, the data would be given such a way that it will come out from your root. Okay. Now H equals to will be what? This 2. So 2 will go up. So we'll send here, we'll see here now. First we'll keep it here 7 by 2. So we'll get here 26 and root over 57. So this 2 will go up and 7 will come here. H will be 26 into 2 root over 57 by this 7 will come down. Here we get here 7. So this is your height. Now if we'll substitute in this formula, that is 25 into 18 instead of 12, if we'll use here this height formula, we'll get the result. Yeah, this is not that much standard answer, but if we proceed like this, we can find the area of trapezium when all side has been given to you, height has not been given. If height has been given, direct formula you can apply here. Okay, so I hope it is quite clear to you. Now if we proceed for area of triangle, you can see here we have applied already Heron's formula. So I hope that it is quite clear to you. If three side has been given, then you can find area of triangle using Heron's formula. Here you can see that up to this one we have got the result. This will be your answer. This is the area of triangle 26 root over 57. This is the area of triangle of this one 667. And if height has been given, then already we have seen right now that is half into base into height. Now for rhombus, if you go for the rhombus, we know, so what we know? We know that diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. That if we take it as D, total is your D1 and this one will be your D2. Then area of rhombus equals to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So how did you get this one? Could you explain this one? Yes, we'll see here how to find. Let's see. As diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree, then we can say that length of this one will be your D2. If we take this one as your D1, then half of this one will be what? D1 by 2, and this will be half of this one if we'll take, that is D2 by 2. So OAB, give a name OAB, and we'll keep it here like this, AOB. What you can see that AB is your hypotenuse, as here we have 90 degree, so it is a right angle triangle. We are getting this is OB, that is D1 by 2, and this is your D2 by 2. That means diagonal 1, half of diagonal 1, half of diagonal 2. Now by Pythagoras theorem, so you can find the area of this triangle. So area of this triangle would be what? If you go for this one, this is your half. As it is a right angle triangle, you can go for, so we don't need h here, remember. Okay, you can find the h. Sometimes it asks you to find the length of this diagonal, length of this side of the rhombus. If diagonal has been given, then you can easily find that is D1 whole square plus D2 half whole square. This will be the length of the side of the rhombus if the diagonal has been given. Okay, but we need area of this rhombus. How are we going to? This is the formula. Let's see. Area, that is your half into base. As we know, the area of triangle is half into base into height, and this is your base and this is your height. As we can see, there's a 90 degree. That means we can write here D1 by 2 into D2 by 2. This is your 1. Now if you look at this rhombus, you can see that this rhombus break into 4 equal part. That means area of rhombus will be 4 times of this area of this one, because these all are congruent to each other. So we know that area of the congruent triangle are equal. That means area of rhombus will be what? Area of rhombus will be 4 into half into diagonal 1 by 2 into diagonal 2 by 2. So 2 we are cancelling, we are getting here diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 by 2. This is our formula, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. I hope it is clear to you how to derive the area of rhombus. Area of triangle already we have discussed. Rhombus here. Trapezium already we have seen. Few problem. And already we have seen in parallelogram for finding your area of parallelogram, that is base into height. I hope that is also clear to you, those who have seen the video of the chapter area of parallelogram. Thank you all of you for joining.